Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you a tutorial on how to create a basketball logo vector. Okay, so the first thing that we'll have to do is to click the ellipse tool, this one. After that, point it on the artboard and then press shift while clicking and dragging your mouse so that you will be creating a perfect circle. Okay, that's it. Then press this to adjust the circle at the center of your artboard. Okay. Next thing that we'll have to do is to click on the line tool, this one, line segment tool. So we're going to create a vertical line on our circle. So from here, this one, first I'll have to click this one and then click the line tool. Okay, and then again, press the shift to create a perfect line. Yes, okay. That's it. So you now have your vertical line inside your circle. Okay, so next is we're going to duplicate this circle. But before duplicating, make sure that fill color is selected none. Okay, so to duplicate this one, all you have to do is to press Ctrl C and then Ctrl F. And then click and drag below. No? Click and drag below while pressing the shift. Yes. Okay. Okay, that's it. After that, we are going to select this shape builder tool to trim this portion here. Okay, so click the shape builder tool, then press and hold Alt while dragging on this portion. Okay, but before you're going to select first the shapes. Okay, so shape builder tool, press Alt, and then select the portion that you're going to trim. Okay, so that's it. Next is we are going to create a curved line here. No? Curved line for our ball. So all you have to do is to press B or this one for brush tool. But before doing so, double click this brush tool and make sure that fidelity is selected on smooth or adjusted on the smooth part. Okay, and then press OK. Okay, so we'll now have to draw here a curved line. Okay, curved line for our ball, just like that. Okay. Okay, so if you're not satisfied with a curve, you just have to press Ctrl Z and then repeat it. Okay, so from here, just like that, and then all the way down. Okay, so that's it. So I guess I'm not satisfied. I'm going to repeat it. So from here, like that. Okay. Yeah. Okay, better. And then I'll have to adjust this one. Okay, adjust. Okay. 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 And then zoom it out and then select again all the objects and then press again the shape builder tool to get rid of this portion. Okay, while pressing the Alt. Just like that. Okay. Next is we are going to select this one and then duplicate it. Ctrl C and then Ctrl F. Okay, and then we're going to move it from this side and then right click and then transform and rotate, reflect, and then press vertical and then OK. And then adjust accordingly. Okay, so we're going to adjust accordingly. Just like that. Okay, this one also, so we'll just have to adjust a little bit. Okay, just like that. So next is we are going to select these two and then group. Okay, and then select all and then group again. By the way, the shortcut key for group is Ctrl G. Okay, so we are grouping it. We are grouping it to have it as one object. Okay, so if we can move it as one. Okay, so we'll have it on the center again. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to put a color for our ball. Okay, so we're going to select this one and then select a color for our ball. Let's say we have this. Okay, that one, and then select the ellipse tool, press again the shift while dragging your mouse so that you will be creating a perfect circle, just like that, and then adjust. Make sure that it is the same size with your ball created, and then no stroke. Okay, and then select the object again and then arrange and then send to back. Okay, so that's it. So we are now going to adjust the circle. Okay, just like that. Next is we are going to duplicate this one by pressing again Ctrl C and then Ctrl F. Okay, just like that. Okay, so after copying and moving the other ball on this portion, select both circle created, just like that, and then click on the pathfinder, this one, and then click divide. After clicking divide, mouse select again and then right click and then go to ungroup. Okay, and then delete this one and go to this portion here and then go to transparency, this one, transparency, and then select overlay, just like that, and then adjust the opacity. Okay, we're going to adjust the opacity of our ball. Okay, and there you have it. You now have your created vector for basketball logo.